Hi, this is Shahzad from First Drive, and today we're going to put together the First Drive Hypersport. Let's get started. Okay, first thing we're going to install in this car are the front wheels. Now, what are the front wheels? Over here, we have two different wheels. The one on the cog on it is the rear wheel because it's going to lock right into the motor. The one with the flat front to it is going to be your front motor. Now, to install the wheel, what you want to do is you're going to press on this circle right over here, and you're going to put it right into the wheel axle. Wiggle a little bit and it'll snap in place. Then over here you're going to see 1, 2, and 3 tabs. Find the 3 tabs on the wheel itself, you snap it in place. So I have one right on top. One on the corner. And there we go. Your front wheel is installed. Next, we're going to go ahead and install the rear wheel. Now, I'm going to show you a problem that you're going to have. Most likely you're going to have this problem. If you look at the rear axle, it's a little too much on one side. So when I try to attempt to put the wheel on by pressing the button and putting it on, it's not going to lock in. So what you want to do is get the axle and push a little more to one side. Press the button. And watch it lock in place. After you do that, you want to come to the other side, you grab the pull and you pull in so you have more room on the other side for the next wheel. Go ahead, press the button, and you lock right in. Next, we're going to go ahead and install the steering wheel. In order to do so, we want to take off the screw that's already in the steering rod. So we just take that one piece off. We go ahead and connect the electric cord to the steering wheel so the trumpet sounds work. Make sure it's right side up, like this. And then you go ahead and you tuck the cable right through the steering wheel into the dashboard. Now, there's going to be 2 sides for the hole. One's going to have a hexagon and one is not. You're looking at the side that does not have a hexagon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this screw on the side that has a hexagon. I'm going to come to the other side and I'm going to try to look for light going through the steering wheel. And I'm going to insert my screw right in. And I'm going to start by hand screwing it, followed by using a screwdriver. Like so. Now that I got it a lot in, I'm going to use a screwdriver to finish it up. I'm holding the hexagon in place. And the screw is going all the way through. All the hexagon holds the nut in place, as you can see, like that. So over here, these are the inside of the car. The only thing you have to do to make it run is get this terminal, which is coming from the fuse, and plug it into here. Well, you can power on the car and it'll start. But before I do that, I'm just going to walk you through the components. We have the battery over here, the 12-volt 7-amp battery, the fuse, and the motor controller. Now, just in case you disconnect anything over here, you're going to see a green and red wire going to the right motor. You're going to see a blue and yellow wire going to the left motor. And both of these items are going to connect to the middle of this motor controller. Now, your fuse, your charging terminal, and your negative terminal are all going to connect over here. And lastly, the brown and blue wire you see over here is going to go inside the car and go directly to the power steering. So when you use the remote, it steers your car left and right, and the rest of the components such as your lights and everything else connect over here. So now when I power on the car, Installer the side view mirrors, all you do is go ahead and you just push them right in. 1, 2. Last piece we're going to install is the seat. Now if you take a look inside your car, you'll already see that there's already some screws in there. You want to remove both screws. Then when you're installing the seat, you make sure you flush all your wires down a little bit. These 2 notches on the back will go right in there. And once you line everything, you'll be able to see your holes. Go ahead and put the screws right back in, and you're set. So, last thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we're going to sync this controller to this car. If you notice, when I power on the car, it doesn't really work. So in order to pair the car, we're going to go ahead and first power down the car, and we're going to hold the up and down arrows on the remote and wait for the light to start blinking. Once it starts blinking, we power on the car, we'll turn it nice solid, lift the back end up, and it'll run. Okay, now just want to go over some features of the car. First, are the doors that open? There's a red tab on the inside, you pull back, and the doors open like so. You go ahead and close it just like that as well. Now, for easy towing, what we have are 2 wheels in the rear. Just pull them right out, like that. And you have a front handle right in front. So if you just want to pull your car along, you have the ability to do so. Lastly, you have horn sounds right from the steering wheel. Really loud, the horn sounds. Last, we're going to show you how to pair this to your iPhone or Android. So I'm going to go ahead and power on the car. What you want to do on your phone is go to your Bluetooth settings. You scroll all the way to the bottom under other devices. You're going to hit the mode button over here.
Bluetooth mode.
So after it says Bluetooth mode, you can notice Bluetooth pops up on one of your devices. You go ahead and you pair it. Why not? I'll allow my contacts to go there. And then you go to your favorite music app, in this case Spotify. And you got your music playing right in your car. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was very helpful. If you need any further help, please visit us on ridefirstdrive.com. Thanks for watching.